To the island. To the pool. We are here, Koh Samui, from the Philippines. Hop in the whip, girly. Snack queen. It is currently, my watch don't work.
6:20.
6:20. We're at the airport because we're going to Koh Samui, Thailand. We didn't spend too much time in Khao San Road. It was too much, man.
It was hot and musty.
It was hot. It smelled like shit and weed. The left side was playing different music. The other side was playing different music. So combined, it was crazy. But Koh Samui, Thailand, watch out.
Ooh, I need
To the island. Oh, wow. How's your drink? We are here, Koh Samui. This is more our type vacation, man. So you could go to the pool and I could go to sleep. Right? Come lay down.
your pants.
Just, man, I hate this one with the outside clothes on the bed shit.
You're on my side too.
Well, I guess that's your side now.
No, I'm on this side.
Okay, I'll get off. Just lay down and then I'll get off. How is it? Yeah. All right, get off my side. We have a scheduled couples massage at 1:30, and then at 5 o'clock, workout class on the rooftop deck. And then we're gonna go to Fisherman's Village, do some shopping, do some eating, you know, chill vibes out here. I wanna go swim outside, but I feel like it's kind of cold here. Who's that?
So much tea.
That's funny. I am on vacation, so I'm contemplating, do we start drinking before this massage? She's killing my vibe.
I can't drink this day and night now. Okay, I'm 30.
But before, she used to make fun of me. Oh, you're old. Now, who's old, motherfucker? Nah. Now she has scheduled date times when she want to drink. You just hit 30 2 months ago, and now you're complaining? I mean, you don't have to drink all day, but you know, somebody's got to do it. We have a workout class at 5. It is not even noon. I didn't pay for this hotel. It's on her bill. So let's get a drink. Singa. Oh, we used our joint account for this? Just kidding, guys. I paid for this too, so we got to put this back. That might well have just been the best massage of my life.
You like it?
Yeah.
I could have gone harder, but I was scared.
Yeah, no, there was times
Where it was a little too hard.
where, yeah, but I was like, let me not say nothing, because
Yeah.
she might beat my ass in there. I started to snore.
Yeah, you were snoring.
For a while?
No, for like a short.
Oh yeah, no, because I felt myself snoring and I was like, Hop in the whip, girly. If you guys like my outfit, you'll definitely like hers because she copied me.
Twin.
Where have you been? We're gonna go eat. We're hungry.
Angry.
Oh fuck. Let's go. Look at you though. Healthy. All right, let's do it.
Is this my future? We're gonna be old people at a resort doing workouts. Motherfuckers can't tell me. Got peace in the trap. Peace in the
Okay. Stretching and we're done. So how'd you like the class?
very romantic.
Wow. Romance.
You know, sunset workout.
Right. Man, my ass is burning though. It's hurting. Hurting so good. What the fuck?
Get it!
You are teasing this kid. As soon as you go outside, they're gonna fuck you up.
Look at this. Fuckers.
If we get too close, it's gonna be 2 mango shrimps.
Should we wait till the market?
No, get her that. That's too cute.
Well, we're in the market.
Yeah, but you don't know if you're gonna find that. You want one of those?
I lost my fan in the taxi. Look at this.
Oh, here for Isaiah. That and baby Kari.
How much for the magnet?
60. Give us 2 for 100. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I like that one too. Oh, this one looks cool. Yeah, this one's cool. You want to use it right now?
Yes, I'm sweating. Sweating.
Oh my. Hey, guess what? Now we have no more money. No, we need to hit the ATM right now.
Listen, you come to Thailand, you gotta purchase this shit. It's strong as fuck.
I've been waiting patiently, baby. The sun is racing by, I can't wait.
I want to explain to y'all how nosy Filipino nurses are. She just cannot stop looking at other people's sides. Oh, I'm sure.
I wish they had fried
Oh,
banana.
this is that coconut ice cream?
Fried banana.
10 out of 10, right?
20 out of 10. It's homemade.
Coco Tams was an experience. Pizza was good. We didn't have to make a reservation. But I think on a busier day, you probably have to make a reservation. But I'm super hyped for tomorrow because tomorrow we have floating breakfast laid out for us here at the pool at 8 o'clock. From there, we're going to go to the elephant sanctuary, feed the elephants. So that's going to be a cool experience.
Aircon, great. Water pressure. Double shower heads.
No, this is the first time you picked a spot that is actually, I approve.
Wow.
Yeah. What was the first time? Hong Kong? That was trash.
I'm a frugal traveler, but dating this man,
No, don't act like I spend too much money.
I've never traveled with a man, okay? I don't think of these things.
Okay. Look, if there's anybody out there that's listening to this, do not get a Filipino nurse as a partner. They're cool, you know, when it comes to food and you being taken care of. But when it comes to spending money and shit like that, don't do it, man. It's just not worth it, dude. You're not gonna get in. You're a vibe right now. Dude, don't force yourself to eat, man. Oh my god, damn! Jeez. What the fuck? Doesn't look like we're gonna feed them elephants, are we?
Not at the moment.
This is why you don't drink, kids. Nothing ever good comes from drinking. You need some sleep.
Man's hat fell off while we're on the motorcycle. We had to go grab
Oh, two. Hi, good.
You can leave bucket down the cow.
Put it down.
Put it down on the cow. And lift it from here, behind the trunk.
Behind the trunk,
When the
okay.
food drop down, please don't pick it up.
Don't pick it up, okay.
Elephant that can't see. So this one, her name Mary.
Mary.
Mary, she is 29-year-old. And this one, Bocha, 52-year-old. The oldest one here. We have 5 elephants here, 2 here and 3 over there. Inside. Later you can go see them inside.
Inside?
When you're done feeding here, then you have new food for feed the elephant.
Okay, cool.
Let's go.
Let's give a watermelon.
Get dirty, she doesn't want to eat.
Oh.
You see?
Don't drop it.
Like him. Yes. They're always hungry.
They're always hungry?
Yes, they're always hungry. They eat 20 hours.
Can you, one at a time?
They can eat more than 10 people.
More than 10 pieces? Oh, wow.
You can do. You can time.
I can try? All right.
When pumpkin.
Oh, he's hungry.
Wow.
You leave the buckets back all that, and then you bring pumpkin, 3 pumpkin all together, and then you fit inside.
Inside?
Inside we have one tour guide waiting you inside.
Okay. Okay. Hi. From the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Nice. Manila.
Yes, Manila. I'm nervous.
Wait, no, went to the other one.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. We didn't give him one.
Yeah, 30 each.
Oh, there you go. Oh, he's trying to steal it. How much do they weigh?
This one will weigh 4,500 kilograms.
How old are they?
This one, she is 42 years old.
Her?
And this one, 34. And this one, 19.
So where do they poop? Just anywhere or?
Anyway, and then we collect the later, see? Elephant poop here. And poop here, see? You want to have it some?
No, I'm cool.
Free.
Free poop.
That was cool.
That was cool.
They all ganged up on us.
For 900 baht, though, that's solid. Like,
Yeah, because you get to feed. That's
you
like
get to
their
feed
food.
them, and it's super quick. Like, we're only here for what, 15, 20 minutes? Where to next, boss?
To the pool. How does look?
To the pool. I'm about to drag you off this bed.
I'm on the rudder.
Get off the bed. You say outside clothes on the bed. Come on.
This doesn't.
No, this does count. That's part of the bed. You always complain to me.
That's
No,
not part of the bed.
I don't get nowhere on here.
It's the runner.
There, no more runner. You can't. Wow, ang ganda mo. Cheers. Cheers to our last night in Koh Samui. Diba?
Oh, sige.
Sige.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Corazon.
Wow. Corazon, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh look, they got flowers that say Coco Thames. They're probably gonna light that bitch on fire. You didn't want to watch it, look at you now. Look where you are.
There's no calamari.
Oh look, what I tell you, they're gonna light it on fire.
That's not fair.
We came the wrong day.
Look at that tennis dress.
So let's get it. Baby Kari.
Baby Kari.
All right, what else can we buy? Oh, hats for Tyrone.
Oh yeah, get the hat. I don't know what Tyrone likes.
This is what happens when we drink and we shop. That one's nicer. Yeah, that one's nicer. Oh, Tyrone would like this, love, because it's blue.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that
So
one
they're
too.
matching.
Yeah.
Wow.
Give Rain his own little vibe. He don't want to match his pops.
Hey vlog, update. I'm drunk. It's fucking hot. My hair is frizzy. Sweating in all parts of my body. Don't come to Thailand. It's fucking hot. Good night.
Good morning from Koh Samui. It's our last day here. They gave us a late checkout at 5 p.m. So we are taking advantage. It's almost like we got another day here for free. So we're gonna go paddle boarding. My partner here is great at paddle boarding, but I am not. But thank you to Explore Our Resort. Appreciate your guys' hospitality. It's been a great experience thus far. And if we do come back to Koh Samui, we will be staying here, you know? And you know, you're getting better at this planning shit, you know?
Yeah, because I'm not frugal anymore.
You're not frugal. This is why we plan stuff like this. We have a savings specifically for these times, you know, so we don't have to worry about the price. Are you sure you want to do this paddleboarding right now? It's blazing out here. No, I'm gonna really look Nigerian after this. I'm gonna be a mocha for sure. Do we just grab them and take them down there?
Wow. Baywatch. Run down the stairs. Thank you, Kateki.
Wow. Your salad with no dressing.
It's delicious.
I want to get a genuine reaction the first bite too.
Not bad.
Right? I might take a last dip before we gotta start packing. Shower, then on to Bangkok. It's popping out here.
We have pink coming in here.
Oh, that shit is sour. That's fire though. What's that?
Regular.
Whoa. Man, that was worth. How much is that? $1? You might have to get another one. Knowing that I'm only
Yeah, I mean, I'm making something.
This sauce right here. Use your hands. Snack queen. Jesus Christ. You don't need no help?
No.
Try it. You've been waiting for this. Hopefully it's good. You like it?
Sweet, but we'll let the ice melt.
Finally. She got her Thai tea. This is Sheila. QI 10 driver wood putter. We Taylor gang out here. The Tito era has officially begun.
I'm 107 pounds.
No, you're not. Here, let me see. There's no way you're 107 pounds, buddy. And I'm not saying that to be mean. That's just not right. Because then you would be sick. What am I right now? Damn, bruh. 88.9. What is that?
195.
Damn.
Basically 196.
Holy fuck, 196. My playing weight is 185. We need to eat a salad.
I'm gonna eat some noodles.
Damn,
My
see,
weight
you're
is-
bad influence.
My weight is perfectly fine.
Yeah, for you.
I'm 126.
I'm getting that dad weight already. Like, what the fuck? I need to go to the gym. It's over. And that right there is the sign that we need to get out of Bangkok. It's time. So appreciate y'all joining us for the trip. Hope you guys enjoyed watching us, you know, be stupid and experiencing Thailand with us. Stay tuned. What do we say, love?
Comment, like, and subscribe.
Yeah, Jesus. Peace out.